In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing, crunchy, low-carb, diabetic-friendly coleslaw. Stay tuned because you'll learn how this coleslaw can actually help burn fat.
I cannot wait to show you how to make this.
Grab your shopping list because these ingredients can be found at your favorite local supermarket. Yes, I'm talking about Walmart, Kroger, Albertsons, y'all. We have Swerve. You're going to see why I love this in a second. Apple, don't panic. You'll learn why. Some sugar snap peas, Greek yogurt, lemon juice, carrots, and of course, coleslaw mix.
So Swerve is made from select ingredients from different fruits and vegetables. So it's 0 calorie, it's non-GMO, it is absolutely awesome. But the only thing I disagree with Swerve and a lot of our other sugar replacers, be it you use allulose, be it you use monk fruit, is that I don't measure cup for cup. I feel like it gives an aftertaste when it does that. And I'm gonna do a video down the road on how to cook with sugar replacers because we make a lot of mistakes. But I encourage you to use half the amount. So if you use a cup of sugar, use a cup of Swerve. If the recipe calls for a cup of Swerve, use half a cup. It's really gonna make a difference in that taste.
Grab that weight loss fat burning winner, Greek yogurt. Measure on out a half a cup of it and you're gonna put it in a large bowl. So this is a winner for a couple of reasons, but the main one is this high protein content. So many of y'all are gonna ask me, hey, can we use a dressing, like a sugar-free dressing? No, because those sugar-free dressings do not have protein. Greek yogurt's higher in protein than regular yogurt, and remember, protein keeps us full, so it promotes satiety, which is the feeling of fullness. It's low carb naturally, and it's low on the glycemic index scale. It ranks about 6 to 11 points, and just to give you a gauge, our good old raspberries is about 37. Now, we like things that are low in the glycemic index because it will produce less blood glucose and insulin, which will help us to avoid creating body fat. That's a lot of stuff. That means get Greek yogurt into your diet. We're gonna add to that a tablespoon of our Swerve. You can definitely give it a little mixeroo right here if you would like to, or you can go ahead and add in that tablespoon of lemon juice. This can give us that tang. So again, give it a great little mixture. And again, so many of y'all are gonna ask about different vegetables. I love sugar snap peas. I feel like it gives me a crunch. This is something that you could snack on in the car for sure. I do this a lot. I get funny looks. I used to fly a lot. I really don't anymore, thank goodness, because you know, as I've gotten older, flying's kind of lost its romantic appeal. But I used to bring sugar snap peas on the airplane and folks would look at me like I was crazy. And I'd go, hey, leave me alone because I'm a dietitian. And if you're new here, welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Shelly, AKA Dietitian Shelly, and I really focus on posting videos about diabetes, pre-diabetes, insulin resistance, and more. So if you're ready to lower your blood sugars, balance your hormones, lose weight, and really take control of your life without wasting money, time, making sure the food tastes good, and real life tips, I want you to subscribe to this channel because really that's my goal. It is my passion to help you all out. But back to these vegetables, use what you like and chop it how you like. I'm not a chef, gang. I'm just using a regular old knife and a regular old cutting board, and I'm adding in an apple. Now, before you clutch the pearls, start sweating, panic a little bit. Apple is a high fiber fruit, and we're only adding 1 to this mixture. I need a crunch. I need that, you know, kind of sweet feel in this salad. And we're going to chop this up very thin as well. Now, one of my little tricks, because I was a 4-H'er growing up, is that I like to kind of mix things as I go. So we're going to add the chopped up sugar snap peas and apples to our Greek yogurt dressing and give it a really, really good mix up so that everything gets coated. It's going to be like mouth watering. It's going to be fantastic. And then now we got to add the final ingredients, which is our coleslaw mix. And I do add it a little bit at a time. And then your shredded cabbage. And again, add as much or as little as you please. This is a salad to please you and your family. I really just give you the base of this. As we mix it, you know, I probably should have used a bigger bowl, but that's okay. And I'm a little lazy because I'm not gonna get a larger bowl. You are gonna love this. Look at it. It's beautiful. I mean, smelly vision's not there. Crunch vision's not there. This does everything. It's mouth-watering. It's crunchy. You're going to want to make this. Scroll in the description box for the recipe. And again, while you're down there, download that 7-day menu for you to lower your blood sugars and help you lose weight. Gang, I'm Dietitian Shelly. Please subscribe to this channel and much love.